Students, in this session, we will understand one more distinctive character of living organisms. You know very well, all living organisms are made up of chemicals. These chemicals being made and changed into some other biomolecules. These conversions are chemical reactions, or you may also call metabolic reactions. See the term please, metabolic. It is applicable to what? Chemical reactions. There are thousands of metabolic reactions occurring simultaneously inside all living organisms. Either it may be unicellular or multicellular. You know na, all plants, animals, fungi and microbes exhibit metabolism. Then how to understand metabolism, how to define? It is nothing but a sum total of all the chemical reactions occurring in our body. But you know now students, non-living objects do not exhibit metabolism. So means, so by using this difference, we can understand only metabolism is possible in living organisms. So we can definitely say that metabolism is nothing but one of the defining property, distinctive feature of all living organisms. In this picture, we are going to understand that one. After eating food, what happened to the food? It is undergo metabolism, or you may call chemical reactions, and thereby you can see the same food break down into simpler substances, and you may call those simpler substances transformed into energy. See students, in this picture I shown one thing about ATP. What do you mean by ATP? ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate, which is called as a energy currency of the body. Means whatever the energy transformed by the food is now stored into ATP molecules. So in this video you can understand cellular metabolism is one of the defining property of living organisms, and it is seen only in living beings. And you see now, we can say metabolism can be differentiated into two varieties. One is anabolism and one more is catabolism. Anabolism means whatever the complex substances are there, they are formed from simpler substances. That is called as the building of substances, or the building of complex molecules, or you may call also macromolecules, building of macromolecules. And one more is catabolic, chemical reactions, means whatever this macromolecules are there are break down into simpler substances. So students, this video makes us to understand how to define metabolism and what its importance. Thank you.